Welcome back. Today we're changing the oil on the KLX140. Stay tuned. And we're going to use the factory racing oil kit. Comes with 2 quarts of oil, the oil filter, crush washer, funnel, gloves, and your label. We use a 17mm on that bolt right there, and then the 8mm on these 3 bolts here. Yep. Bust it loose right there. We're going to pull that off. Then we'll let that oil drain and swap out the washer. We're going to let the oil drain out that drain plug over there and start on this side. This is where your oil filter is, using the 8mm to take off these 3 bolts.